Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a Vans haul, and when they had their 30% off sale, I went a little crazy. So I am just so excited to share these shoes with you because I just want to start wearing them, and I have been so obsessed with my skate highs. You have no idea. It's all I want to wear these days, and I'm just so happy that we're in fall and going into winter, so I can wear nothing but high top shoes because I absolutely love high top shoes. And yeah, so if you guys want to see a Vans collection, definitely like this video and let me know below, and I can certainly do that for you guys. I just have to find them all around the house. So I just love Vans. I've always loved Vans, but I never really was obsessed with Vans the way I am now, and it's just really crazy because I don't know if I'm too old for Vans, but I love them and I really enjoy them a lot. So I have 4 pairs to share with you. Definitely wait for them to go 30% off, and definitely sign up on their website because then only their members will get the email for 30% off because you have to be logged in to get the discount. So definitely join their website. I know if you go to like Vans outlets or like buy one get one half off, but I think the 30% off is great because you can get it off on their customs, which I did, and they're like newer shoes versus like the outlet doesn't always have their newest styles, mainly their classics. So yeah, I definitely recommend to wait for a sale, especially if you're getting more than one pair. And it's great because they are already a pretty inexpensive shoe considering a lot of other sneaker brands. So I feel like with additional 30% off, it is the best time. And I always use Rakuten, so whatever the percentage off on Rakuten is, I'll get back. So even if it's only like 2%, it's still better than nothing, and every penny counts, right? All right, so let's get started. I'm going to share with you my customs first, and I am so excited. And I have a pair of customs already that I absolutely love, so I definitely wanted to do another pair, and I thought for 30% off, best time to do it. So these are it, and if you've never done Vans customs, honestly, I think it's the coolest thing ever, and I wish that more brands would do this. I know like Converse does it. I think Nike does it too. I just think it's like the coolest thing ever. You can even get your name or something, whatever you want, embroidered on the back of them, which I think is so cool. If you're like getting married, you can put like Mrs. and your last name, your new last name. I just think it's just so neat. Or like bride, or whatever it is, bridesmaid, if you're gonna do like gifts and stuff. It's just so cool. I love things that you can customize. I mean, I think it's the best thing for companies to do. But anyway, I really wanted a pair of Vans with the gum bottom, and I really love this red plaid. And I definitely want to go with their signature checker because hello, it's Vans. So yeah, so you pretty much design everything except for the logo that they put on the back. I guess they choose that, obviously, because that's the only thing you didn't choose. Like I chose even to do like the black inside here, which I like because then, I tend to wear black socks, so I just feel like it always gets dark anyway. I really wish I could have done the inside shoe all black, and then it even says like Vans Customs in there. The piping you choose, even the little white elastic here, you can choose to be black or red or whatever, but I like the white the best. But honestly, even the other customs I did, and these are my second ones, it pretty much comes true to what you see on the computer and online, at least for me. If you had any other experiences, definitely let me know below so you can let other people know. But yeah, I love these. Perfect for this time of year, for fall and winter time. I'm going to get a lot of use out of these, and I love the gum bottoms. I really love the gum bottoms with all black, or even like the marshmallow color. I think it looks beautiful. So I'm looking to get, probably for next spring, is the gum bottoms with like the light marshmallow color. I think that would be really pretty. I love the slip-ons because they're just so easy. You just slip them on and you're out the door. And I love my skate highs though. I want them in every color. I love them so much for the fall and winter time, but the slip-on's the best. You just pop them on and you're out the door. So, all right, next one is another pair of classic slip-ons. And I got this on clearance. This was $39.95. I think they're normally $50 or $55. I can't remember. But these are the cherries. And I'm not kidding, guys. These look so much better in person. I wasn't sure if I was going to like these. And OMG. They are like... This I have to cut off. It's like attached in there. I just gotta fix it. But let me zoom here. It's like an embroidered. See, like the texture, it like pops out. It is so pretty. I couldn't tell if it was like a screen print or what, but and then the sides is suede. It almost seriously looks velvet. And it just looks, oh my god. When I put these on, I felt like Cinderella. Like, they look awesome. So I feel like if these are still on the website, definitely snag these. Just awesome shoes. Oh my gosh. I need to definitely come up with an outfit. I'm thinking like an all black outfit with these, or even like maybe all black with like a red handbag, which I don't have, and these, or I don't know, or like a red top. I don't know. But I am just so excited for these. But I feel like these would look epic, like with an all black outfit, which I actually have on right now. I am so excited for these. Just awesome. All right, next pair is a pair of Authentics, and I love burgundy and maroon this time of year, and I just had to go with these. I love the matte black eyelets and the black laces. I thought that just made them. And then the end part here is black, which I thought was kind of cool. And then the logo is in black and white. Just, and I love the black piping that goes around. It's just, oh my gosh, I love these. I love Authentics. I have an all black pair, and I have the Hello Kitty ones from the Hello Kitty collection that I love, but I don't wear them that often because I don't want them to get ruined. But yeah, gosh. Oh, I'm so excited for these. I need, again, probably wear these with an all black outfit. I don't know. There's just something about Authentics that I really, really, really love. I love Vans. Love Vans. My cart is always super full on Vans, and then when they have a sale is when I get what I really, really want. These I've had my eye on for a really, 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 really long time, and I finally got them. These are the old school V, because they're just like an old school, but with Velcro. And I got these in the gray color. They have them like in the marshmallow white, a black. I really, really like the black, but I felt like I already have a black pair of old school, so I'm like, I don't want two basically the same color, and I just thought gray is a really, really good neutral, so that's what I went with. And then I thought it was cool because the logo is in gray and white, so I thought that was really neat. So I'm just super excited. I have a pair of Roxy Velcro shoes that are blue with white little polka dots, and I never have gotten rid of them. I've had them since high school, so it's been many, many years. And I just can't get rid of them because they're just so unique. So when I saw that Vans had these, I'm like, okay, I have to get them. So it's kind of like my newer pair of some Velcro shoes because I love those Roxy ones and they're just so unique. I don't know. So I don't know. They have a pair of like a mauve color. What other colors? They came out with some more colors, but yeah, I really, 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 really like these. So yeah. I don't know if you can do customs though with the Velcro. That would be pretty awesome. Oh my gosh. We could do like different colors for the Velcro. Oh my god. Yeah, really, really cool. So it's like suede on the back and the toe here, and then canvas here, and then suede on the Velcro. So on the straps. But yeah, so that is my Vans haul. Maybe I will do a Vans collection sooner or later, maybe within the next couple of weeks. Let me know what pair of Vans are your favorites, whether it's the style, color, which ones do you wear all the time. I am obsessed. I do not skateboard. I just love them. I've always loved them. But yeah, oh my gosh, like I hope they come out with more colors. I feel like a red pair would be really cute. I really want, I guess for like my wish list, I really want a pair of red skate highs. Love them. I love the Port Royal, which is my authentic color that I got that I just showed you. I really want them in the skate highs. What else? I love the skate highs. They are like my favorite. I'm loving my black ones, which are suede. I shared them in a haul back in like March. I'll put that video below so if you want to check them out. And I showed the Authentics in that one as well that I got because they were so cheap. I got 2 pairs for $50. You cannot beat that. So yeah. So anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely let me know what your Vans favorites are, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye.